In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook page to Zoho Social. We'll start right at the Zoho Social sign-in. Open your browser and visit the Zoho Social website. If you land on a logged out screen, click the Sign In button to proceed. On the sign-in page, choose the Google option to authenticate. When the Google account chooser appears, select the Google account you use for your Zoho access. If you use multi-factor authentication or a company SSO policy, complete those prompts as you normally would. After you're signed in, you'll arrive at your Zoho Social home. If your account is brand new, Zoho will immediately prompt you to connect your social channels so you can publish and analyze content. Click Connect Facebook to begin linking your Facebook page. A new Facebook window will open. Log in with the Facebook profile that has admin or editor access to the page you want to connect. This is important. The profile must have the correct permissions on the page, otherwise the page won't appear later in the selection list. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow them so the Facebook authorization window can load correctly. Once you're logged into Facebook, click Continue to approve the connection. You'll see a list of permissions that Zoho Social is requesting. These permissions power features like scheduling, reading insights, managing posts, and retrieving leads. To get the most from Zoho Social, keep the requested permissions enabled. Limiting them can cause errors or hide your page during setup. Next, click Connect and follow the on-screen prompts in Facebook. You may be asked which pages Zoho Social can access. Select the specific page or pages you plan to manage in Zoho Social. If you manage multiple pages, it's often easier to grant access to all relevant pages during this step, and then choose the one you want inside Zoho afterward. Confirm your selections to complete authorization. When Facebook closes, you'll be returned to Zoho Social. Here you'll see the list of pages Facebook allowed. Select the page you want to use and click Add. Zoho will finalize the link and bring your page into your brand's channel list. That's it. Your Facebook page is now connected to Zoho Social, and you're ready to schedule posts, monitor engagement, and review insights from one place. If anything doesn't appear, double-check that you logged into the correct Facebook profile with the right page role, and ensure your browser isn't blocking the authorization pop-up. Thanks for watching, and enjoy managing your Facebook presence in Zoho Social.